Buttons are an invention made to make people's lives easier. Different types of buttons do different things. But did you know you can start to make money online by clicking simple buttons? I know it may sound impossible, but by clicking on just a few buttons like this one right here and another one right here, you're going to be looking at about $50 cash right into your pocket, which is amazing. Not a lot of people know about this method, which makes it a perfect online money making method you should try. And to top it all off, I'm going to show you a neat little trick to help you gain about $300 as extra income, so make sure you watch every second and don't skip till the end of the video. Now, a great feature about this method today is it's 100% free, and no matter where you are right now, you can start to make cash online using this method I'm about to show you. You heard me right. Now, before we continue on with the video, I'm curious as to what country you guys are watching from right now. Leave a comment down below as to what country you are watching from so that I will know where my viewers are coming from. Right? You can start to make money online wherever you are without any monetary investments and with whatever device is available to you right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you a way you can get an extra. Now, before I show you the first tool you're going to need to make money online, I want to show you a quick overview of how it works. Don't worry guys, it's 100% free as I said in the beginning. You won't need to make any purchase. Later on, I'm going to be introducing another tool which is also free, and it will allow you to earn some extra cash, so make sure you stay tuned. But before we get into which tools we're going to be using, I want to take you guys over here on Amazon. Now, Amazon is a platform, or rather an internet-based enterprise where people can purchase different kinds of goods. Some goods include hardware, electronics, books, and even audiobooks, just to name a few. And of all items you can find on Amazon, we're going to be focusing on audiobooks. Now, a lot of people have been purchasing audiobooks lately. An audiobook is very convenient. It can easily fit into your mobile phone, and you can listen to audiobooks wherever you want, whenever you want. And it's also one of the current growing markets, with customers ranging from 8 years old to 80 years old. And guess what? You can use this growing market demand for audiobooks to make money online. Now, don't panic. You won't be writing or publishing any kind of ebook. You also won't be sketching any book cover designs. From what I'm about to show you, you won't even need any technical skills or experience for you to start earning money online. With the help of two very easy to use tools which are completely free, you can even get an additional $300 on top of what you have already earned by what I'm about to show you. The first tool I'm going to introduce you to is ACX. ACX is a platform that allows authors to turn written books into an audiobook format. After it has been fully recorded as an audiobook, ACX is also going to publish it on other platforms such as Audible, Amazon's, and iTunes, which is great because having audiobooks posted on platforms such as Audible, Amazon, and iTunes will help push your audiobook to the right audience. Like I said before, we won't be writing ebooks. We're going to earn money by becoming a narrator. So if you head on over to how it works, you want to click on narrator. Now if we scroll down here guys, you can see a step-by-step process on how you can become a narrator. Now for the first step, you can easily create your profile on ACX by clicking sign up here and filling up all the required information. But once you have created a profile, you can now start your journey towards getting paid. So here is an example of a book you could get from ACX to read for your sample. All you have to do as a narrator is submit a record of a recording of an entire book and you can get paid. But don't worry guys, you won't have to read or invest in any recording equipment because I'm going to show you another tool you can use to help you with your recording. It won't be complicated at all and it's going to be super easy to use, so make sure you stay tuned. Once you've uploaded recordings, you can choose how you want to get paid. ACX supports many different types of payment options such as PayPal and bank transfer, and you can set how you want to be paid. So you can choose to get paid as a per finished hour rate, so how you'll get paid will depend on how many finished hours of your recording you can make. But if you prefer, you can also go for 50% share of royalties, which means once the audiobooks have been uploaded on Audible or Amazon, you can get 50% from every purchase of the audiobook. And I mean every purchase. It doesn't limit to a specific period. As long as somebody bought the audiobook, you get 50% of the royalties. Whichever payment option you choose, you can even choose both if you aren't entirely sure which one to choose. But all options are pretty solid evidence of how much earning potential you have with ACX. Now step number 4 is to audition. Now don't worry guys, it's not as scary as it sounds, and I'm going to show you a tool you can use to aid you with your audition and recording. Now, for step number 4, you're going to be recording a few minutes of a manuscript. Now, once a rights holder chooses you to be a narrator, you can start to work on an audiobook and get paid. Now, this tool I'm going to show you to help your recording is again absolutely free, and it's going to do all your recording work for you. So you won't have to read a single word of a script. You won't need to invest in any microphone or recording equipment. Simply use tool number 3 and you can submit your audition sample completely hassle-free. And it's going to allow you to skip over steps for recording, reading, and stuff like that. And so you can head on over to ACX's final step for narrators so you can get paid. So here are some book title examples of what you can expect to submit for your audition. As you can see here, ACX has thousands of different ebooks which you can use to make your audition sample. Once you have submitted your audition recording for any available audiobook offers and you get approved, you can start to get paid. So on my screen here guys is an example of what an audition script is going to look like. Usually what narrators do is get a good quality microphone, open up a recording software, and spend hours on end recording audio samples of a script. But instead of spending hours and hours recording audio, we're going to be using some tools. So our first tool is TTS Reader. You can just go to ttsreader.com. And essentially what you want to do with TTS Reader is you copy and paste your script right into a text box, and after you want to choose from any of the available reader voices options. You have an option of United Kingdom English or US English or Canadian, and you can choose between a male or female reader. So to give you guys a demonstration, I'll just pick a voice right here. I'll go back to my script and copy it, and I'll head back over to TTS Reader and paste it here. After pasting it into TTS Reader, it's only a matter of clicking 2 buttons. First, to show a preview of how your sample is going to sound like, you can click on the play button right here, and it's going to instantly give you a vocal narration of the text you pasted. So TTS is using a bot to read off your script for you. And with TTS's advanced technology, it can give you a narration with the natural voice. Once you're happy with your narration, you can simply download it as an audio file on your phone or your computer by clicking on the record button, which will allow you to get a downloadable version of your text reading, and once you have your audio, you can submit it on ACX and get your approval. So a short recap, copy your script, paste it into TTS Reader, have a short preview, download it, and finally upload it to ACX to get approved. For tool number 2, it's going to be another website for text-to-voice narration, but it's a lot more powerful than TTS Reader. It's called Natural Readers, and in my experience, it gives you a more natural sounding voice narration. But generally, it works the same way as TTS, so again you can just copy text from your script and paste it into Natural Readers, choose what kind of narrative voice you want, and then click on the play button for a quick preview. Once you're satisfied, hit download, and you'll be able to upload your sample on ACX. Natural Readers has a wider variety of voice options as you can see over here, and you can just go back and forth between TTS Reader and Natural Reader until you find a narrator you like. And that's pretty much all you need to do to start making hassle-free money on ACX. But earlier, I did mention a neat little trick to help you gain more money online and for bonus income. So you're going to head on over to Fiverr.com. Once you're on Fiverr, you want to search for voiceover. Now you can just hit search, and Fiverr will give you a result of different freelancers whom you can freelance to do your voice recording for you. So let's check out this guy right here. So it says, I will record a deep, professional, friendly, casual English American male voiceover, and he charges about $15. So you don't need to pay your chosen freelancer straight off. What you want to do is head on over to his contact info so you can contact him, which you can do by clicking contact me right here. And what you want to do right here guys is just email him a copy of your audition script and ask him if he would be willing to give you a sample based off of your provided script. Because it is still a sample, you won't need to pay him yet. But once he's given you his sample, you can upload it to ACX as an audition sample. Once ACX has accepted you to be a narrator, you can head back to Fiverr and pay your selected freelancer to do all of the recordings for you, and you can pay him with the payment ACX has given you. By doing a simple strategy of just connecting a client and a freelancer, you can make some extra cash without having to do any actual work. And to no expense on your end too, since you're just going to be paying a freelancer with money from ACX. And anything left over from your transaction will go directly into your pocket.